The closing ceremony and agricultural sector workshop celebrated the 3-year initiative, which focused on restoring damaged coral reefs and transitioning small-scale farmers to sustainable climate-resilient methods. The project sought to address the long-term environmental consequences of traditional monoculture farming, particularly the pervasive use of chemicals that damage both soil health and fragile coral reef ecosystems. Permaculture coach Christopher Wilson explained the crucial need for this systematic shift in farming practices.
This exercise is important because of what has been happening prior to now. We've been doing a lot of monoculture where we've been planting a lot of bananas, and a lot of the chemicals that we've been using has been depleting the soil health and also damaging the coral reefs. So this permaculture system has been brought to be able to mitigate against that. So with the lasagna bench system especially, we have been able to regenerate good soil health and create healthy food for our island.
The event served as a lesson sharing and networking session, gathering farmers and home gardeners to discuss feedback and showcase products developed from the project.
We are actually doing a closing ceremony on the project. It has been 3 years, and we have accumulated all the farmers and all the home gardeners together and for have a talk on feedback and networking, knowledge sharing, an exhibition where we're showing some of the products that have been created out of the project, and to get an enlightenment from everybody as to what they have been going through. We are encouraging persons to look into their own food sovereignty by being able to maximize all the resources within the environment to provide healthy foods for themselves.
The project's broader vision extends beyond agriculture to include long-term sustainability and professional development for the Caribbean region, which currently includes St. Lucia and St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Dr. Owen Day of the Clear Caribbean Project highlighted the community-led coral restoration training is now officially recognized across the region.
Trained 50 coral gardeners and provide the equipment and training and site payments. And with their input, we've managed to establish 5 coral nurseries and plant 18,000 corals. So quite a large amount of work. Newton Health developed an NVQ, a National Vocational Qualification in coral restoration at level 2 and level 3. It's now a CVQ, so recognized across the CARICOM region. And we've developed partnerships with the private sector to help provide sustainable finance.
And with accredited training now available, the next crop of environmental stewards is ready to take root. This initiative ensures that the focus on resilience from the soil to the reef continues long after the 3-year funding concludes. The theme for the activity was The Future of Caribbean Agriculture. Joachim de Plessis, HTS News Force.